Hello friends, welcome to the Bright Academy for Competitive Warriors. Today we will see the second
model of the compound interest. Let's start with the question. A sum of money becomes compounded annually 1.44 times itself in 2 years. Then find the rate of interest. Let us assume the principal as 1. So here I am taking the principal as 1. Then amount is equal to 1.44 as it is given in the problem. So principal is 1, amount is 1.44. This is for 2 years. Now let's calculate this for 1 year. For this I am taking the square root of 1 and square root of 1.44. Both sides I am taking the square roots. So square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 1.44 is 1.2. This is for 1 year. So to neglect this point, I am multiplying the both sides with 10. So 1 into 10 becomes 10. 1.2 into 10, it becomes 12. So principal is equal to 10, amount is equal to 12. The difference between the amount and principal is equal to 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. So here we need the percentage rate of interest, that is equal to difference by principal into 100, that equal to 2 by 10 into 100, that is equal to 20% per annum. Let's go with the second question. A sum of money becomes compounded annually 9 by 4 times itself in 2 years. Then find the rate of interest. Here I am taking principal as 1. Amount is equal to 9 by 4 times as it is given in the problem. So principal is 1. Amount is equal to 9 by 4 times. So here it is a fraction it is given. So to make it as a single digit, I am multiplying both the sides with 4. So 1 into 4, it becomes 4. 9 by 4 into 4, it becomes 9. This is for 2 years. So for 1 year, I am taking the square roots. Square root of 4 and square root of 9. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. So finally percentage rate of interest is equal to difference between 3 and 2, that is 3 minus 2, that equal to 1, by principal, that is 2, into 100, that equal to 50% per annum. Let's see one more problem. A sum of money becomes compounded annually 1.728 times itself in 3 years. Then find the rate of interest. As usual, principal I am taking as 1, amount is equal to 1.728. So principal 1, amount is 1.728. To neglect the point, I am multiplying with 1000. So principal becomes 1000, amount is equal to 1728. This is for 3 years. To make it for 1 year, I am taking this as cube root. So cube root of 1000 and cube root of 1728, which is principal. So here it becomes 10. Amount is cube root of 1728, which is equal to 12. Here you may be getting the doubt why we have to take the cube root of principal and amount, because in the problem it is given for 3 years, so we are taking as cube root. If it is given as 2 years, we have to take square root. So here we are taking cube root of 1728, which is 12. So finally the rate of interest, percentage rate of interest is equal to difference between 12 and 10, which is 2, divided by principal 10 into 100, that is equal to 20% per annum.